welcome to Vanessa Cooks. Today I'm at my sister's house and today we'll be making Mixed Berry Lemon Scones.
How good is that?
Really good. So you're going to want to start off with 1 cup of milk in a bowl with about a tablespoon of lemon. Whisk that. 3 cups of flour into a bowl. Then add 1 cup of sugar. About 1 teaspoon of salt. And oh, I need Gloria. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Half a cup of butter. It's hard to cut. Half a cup of butter. And make sure your hands are washed. Mine are washed. It's gonna be a bit tough. You gotta break up the butter into little chunks into the dough mixture. And then you just do this until it has a nice pebbly consistency. You don't want it to be smooth. Now after that's done, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup to my milk and lemon mixture. And then you're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add the milk mixture a bit at a time to flour. Hi, Flo, it's okay. What you telling us, Flo? You telling us a story? And I want to scrape your hands on the end of your bowl. I'm preheating my oven to 375 and they're going to need to be cooked for 20 to 22 minutes depending on your oven. I'm going to wash my lemon. And once you see the little bit of the lemon, actual lemon come in, then you turn it around. Now for the last thing to add, you add your mixed berries. There you go. So we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. We have no parchment paper. And so that means we're gonna have a good time washing dishes. Now I'm just gonna place little balls. Usually in pictures they always show the perfectly sized like little triangles. But you can do what you would like. If you want to shape them into triangles to make them an actual scone type, you can cut them with a knife. This will probably make around 12 to 14 good sized scones. Also, if you would like, instead of lemon blueberry or lemon mixed berry, you can do an apple cinnamon. And instead of berries, you just put apple. Instead of lemon, you just put cinnamon. And that works too. I've tried them, they're really good. And you could also, I've never tried, you know what would be also good? A raspberry coconut. I should try that one. So now I'm gonna put these in the oven. I'll check them at 15 minutes if they need more time. Then I'll keep them in till 20 minutes. The cleaning up part is next. That's really good. They're pretty big, so I would recommend doing smaller chunks, and if you'd like triangles, they just look better. But overall, I think they're pretty good. You get the nice flavor of lemon and berries. I hope you like making my Mixed Berry Lemon Scones. I had fun making them. And thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more cooking and baking videos. And we'll see you next time on Vanessa Cooks. And remember to keep cooking with joy.